What's up, guys? Today's a very special day. It's been exactly 9 years since Phil Schiller took the stage and announced the iPhone 3GS today. It's really hard to believe that all that time flies by so fast. And as a little tribute, I wanted to unbox that in this video today, as I've never unboxed the iPhone 3GS ever in my life, like a sealed version. I've interacted with it, there's been lots of history with it, but I've never actually opened it. Not this, not the 3G or the original iPhone. So I wanted to go back in time and basically redo that part, unbox the 3GS, unbox the 3G, and eventually the original iPhone on the days they were announced, their anniversaries. Tomorrow, by the way, is the 3G 10-year anniversary. So today, let's take a look at this guy. This was a pretty special phone, I'd say. When it came out with video recording, what no other phone could do at the time. You could put wallpapers on the back with the new OS. I mean, you could still do that on the 3G. Oh wait, no, you couldn't. It had a compass in it, so that was pretty neat. It was a lot faster. The actual tagline was the smartest, fastest phone yet. So let's see just how fast it is. And this is a 3GS, 8GB. Nothing too special, but believe it or not, these are starting to appreciate in value quite a bit. So I'm gonna have to unbox this guy very carefully. I got this thing for around, I think it was $300, $250 to $300 a couple years back. I've been holding off, waiting for just the occasion, and I guess now it's time. But I've seen them go up to around $8,000 on eBay. Who would ever pay that much? But okay, let's do this. That part of my life that I never got to experience, let's do it now. I mean, I don't know if there will be any magic with it. I'm hoping. Okay, and this phone basically loses all value that I paid for it after I unbox it. Oh, whoops. Gotta be careful here, I'm so nervous. So how do I know this is legit? By the way, Apple has a serial code check online where you can input it and it'll warn you if the phone was never activated, and this one was not. So I know I didn't get scammed again. And I just did these kind of videos. So I personally wanted to do it and experience the joy of opening a phone I never have. So got the magical peel off. And as you can see, this thing is really starting to show its age. It's got like tears already, holes, but this is it. Ooh, it slides out pretty nicely. And just like that, it is off. And I got scammed. Wow. So come on. I bought this so long ago, I can't even do anything about it. But this is a complete scam. How did they do that? I literally checked the serial code. I don't even know what to do. Do we kill the video or keep going?
What is it?
I feel like I have to finish this video because...
What is the phone? Like, what's...
It's obviously been replaced. I mean, out of the factory, there's no way it's gonna look like this. It's all off and everything. Look at the screen protector. It's coming off here. Man, why does this keep happening to me with like so many things? What the flip? Obviously, I mean, look at this. Look at a real 3G and this one. It's like, oh my goodness. When will I catch a break with this stuff? Anyways, let's forget the obvious fact that I just got scammed again and I don't know how they did it. So that's really making me question about these. Are those legitimate? Wow. Okay, anyways, I still want to do this. One day, I will actually unbox a sealed 3G that has not been resealed. Let's take a look here. Yeah, look, there's obvious scuff marks on there that's been replaced. I mean, it looks really good. Stickers and everything. Man, I'm so freaking pissed right now. It's got the original power adapter. I don't know if that's legit. This looks like a knockoff, actually. This looks okay, but definitely feels non-original. And it does have the old style of Apple headphones. Yeah, I'm honestly so butthurt right now. Okay, so let's unbox this never touched, never opened iPhone 3G. And here we go. Man, that is so bad. They could have at least tried a little bit better. At least it's in like new condition, you know? This is a brand new 3GS, I can tell that, but it's definitely been opened before. Okay, no dust at all at the speaker ports. It looks good. I'll share this story anyways. I've lost my fire for this video, honestly, after realizing it's fake, but first time I ever actually saw one of these, people would come to my house and like bring me phones to unlock, you know, the good old days with Red Snow, unlocking the bootloader, flashing it. And the first time I ever saw one of these was then, and it didn't really feel like anything special. It was basically like an iPhone 3G, but you know, it had the glossy text on the back, had the compass, and apparently I think the battery is dead, so trying to turn it on, you know, after 9 years supposedly, it's not going to be alive. Anyways, I'm going to charge it up. I really want to see what it's like inside, what it's running. Obviously, if it's running anything iOS 6, it's probably fake, maybe even iOS 5. All right, so it's alive. We just charged it up, and I gotta say, even though it's not originally sealed, it's still brand new. Like, I can tell it's never been used, and just powered it on. Got the old iOS 5 screen. Definitely not iOS 4. But yeah, it's so shiny. I remember like when these came out, how incredible it was when they were this shiny. They would get really scratched up like right away. So you had to treasure it in the moment. And because the screen wasn't laminated, you'd get a lot of dust underneath it and stuff, and it'd be really annoying. With time, I'd have to take it off, wipe it underneath, and that was the biggest process. That's crazy. It's reliving so many memories right now. I actually traded some guy for an Xbox way back in the day, a 360 for a brand new one of these, and that was worth like $250, $300 back in the day, and this was like $600, obviously used. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try setting this up, and I have an AT&T SIM card here just to activate it. I had to dig one of these out from the old bin, but what a process. It's crazy. It is Wi-Fi activated, unlike the older models. You have to connect it to iTunes. All right, let's see what happens. And I gotta pop the SIM card in, which was top loaded over here. So, oh, it already had one, shoot. That's convenient. And this was 3G, cool. So I have to really redo that. I'm guessing that this is gonna be on iOS 5.1 or something like that. There's no way that this is gonna be on anything older. It's running iOS 4 on the box. I remember that wallpaper, iOS 4 or 5. Okay, and we're gonna start using it. So let's jump in and see what it is. General about 5.0. Oh wow, so this is genuinely like an old iPhone, you know, unused. They probably just took it and popped it into a box that was used. Still, that sucks. It really sucks to be bamboozled like that, even though this was a new iPhone. So iOS 5.0, iPhone 3GS. Man, the days of multitasking. The first iPhone that supported it. So you had this little tray on the bottom, and over here you had quick play controls, really neat. The old music icon, music app. You still had cover flow back in the day. So what a trip down memory lane for sure. It's actually not too bad speed-wise too. You have YouTube even built in, the camera app with video recording. So this is like the first look at this phone for me out of the box, and I gotta say that is awesome. While I'd never use this phone in real life right now, you know, it's still pretty capable for what it was back in the day. Video and photo looks pretty dang good. Obviously it's much sharper nowadays, but if I were to take a picture, like, it's not so bad. Oh yeah, this is the first iPhone with autofocus. You can tap and have it focus as well. Video, of course, you have that 360p video, or was it 480? Not bad. You know, the darker it got, the more stuttery and laggy. Wow, that is seriously awesome. 5 megapixel camera. So, dang. This was a legendary design. Honestly, it was awesome. With time, like, it would start separating at the seams, and it scuffed up like crazy. But for Apple to do a revamp of this and introduce like a modern iPhone with a very similar design, that would be so cool, because it was seriously comfortable. I don't know how many of you guys have actually used one of these, but it was pretty great. Okay guys, so just wanted to say thanks for watching. This is a really special day in the history of Apple, and I think I want to be unboxing this tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want to see that down below. That one I can almost guarantee is a genuine copy. I completely got bamboozled with this. Wow. Seriously, and I paid for that so long ago, so I can't even return it if I wanted to. But yeah, there it is. That was seriously awesome. So I have more of a connection with the 3G than the 3GS. Like, seriously, lots of history with this in my lifetime. And the original iPhone, not much at all. I mean, I barely ever used it when it came out. I had one. that was like way later. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.